So you have a 5th Gen RAV4 and the gas cap won't open. Let me show you quickly how to open it first, and then I'll show you how to replace it. So to open it, you're going to need to find something to wedge open the gas door handle like this. So I'm using just a phone charger for the car. You can use your key, whatever you can get to hold that open. Then all you're going to need to take is a coin or a key and then wedge it into the gas door like so, and there you are. And then you can fill up your car. But the piece that actually broke is this piece right here. There will be a link to the replacement part down in the description below, and that piece is the cheapest one that I found on Amazon. Now to remove this piece, all you do is you're going to push back on the door and pull up, and this piece comes right out. Alright, and that's the plastic piece right there without the spring on it. This is the replacement part with the spring. This grooved part here, this notched part here, is going to fit over this rod, and this lip right here is going to fit under right here. And then this back part here is going to clip into that notch. So let me install it. Now to get it to work, you place it inside this notch and you have to push it down and give it a firm push until this piece here clips in. And after you do so, the door will actually spring open even stronger than before. A quick tip is you can actually hang your gas cap right here on this notch. So that's there to hold it. So there's some of you that don't know that. But now that this piece is installed here, it'll close. Now when you open it, works every time.